Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine in your homes. Are you all following the videos, whatever we are sending you? Are you all writing homework and all? I hope you all are doing that. Today, I welcome you all for this section 3 class. Okay, fine. In this section 1, 2 and 3 classes, what is our topic, children, that we have studied? Are you all remembered what topic we are going through? Yes, we all are going through the topic computer fundamentals. We are studying about computer fundamentals. This is our first lesson we are studying in these 3 sections. Shall we have a quick recap what we have studied in the last class, children? Okay. We have studied about software and its types, system software and application software. The second one we studied about system software. We have 2 types. One is utilities and the second one is operating systems. And the third one we studied about application software. These 3 questions we have studied in the section 2 class. Now in section 3 class we are going to study about the topic computers networks, advantages of networks, types of networks. Under types of networks we are going to study is PAN, personal area networks, LAN, local area network, and WLAN, wireless local area networks, HAN, home area networks, MAN, metropolitan area networks, and WAN, wide area networks. These are the topics that to be discussed in this section 3 class. Okay, shall we enter into the section, children? Shall we enter into our class now? I want everyone to pay attention as we go through each and every topic what we studied in this lesson. First topic we are going to discuss is computer networks. Computer network refers to the computer systems interconnected through cables or satellites. It is a communication system that supports many users. The peripheral devices such as modems, hard disk, CD-ROM, drives, data backup devices, fax machines, etc. Again I repeat, the peripheral devices such as modems, hard disk, CD-ROM, drives, data backup devices, fax machines, etc. can be shared using the network technologies. People in different places can be connected in one network so that information can be passed on to different locations anywhere in the world. Anywhere you go to any place, you will be connected with these informations, with these networks. Now first we will study the point of advantages of network. Yes, advantages of computer network. Computer network provides several advantages. Some of them are listed below. The first one, file sharing, software cost and management, security, resource sharing, communications, flexible access, and work group computing. Work group computing. Okay. Now in this I am going to stress 3 main points. The first point is resource sharing, second point information sharing, and third point communication. These 3 points I am going to stress in this advantages of network. Now resource sharing. Resource like fax, printer, scanner, data backup devices are shared within nodes in a network. and information sharing, data or views are exchanged among the computers in this network. Communication in a network, the users can communicate easily through the nodes. Okay, these are the advantages of a network. Now some of the networks we are going to see. Okay, types of computer network. We see in the diagram, the block diagram, you can see the four main networks. We can see LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. We still have another topics also we are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, there are different types of networks. The first one, LAN, local area networking. WLAN, wireless area networking, and WAN, wide area networks. MAN, metropolitan area networks. CAN, campus area network. These are the things that we are going to discuss in the lesson. Okay, first topic we are going to discuss is PAN. What do you mean by PAN, children? What is the full form of PAN? Yes, you can all see, everyone can see on the screen, nothing but personal area network. A personal area network is a computer used for communicating between the computer and different technological devices used for a person. It is also used to connect computerized devices such as phones and personal digital assistants. It is used to transfer data files such as email, appointments, reminders, music, photos and videos. It can either be connected with the help of cable, wires, or can be wireless. The reach of PAN extends up to 10 meters. It can reach your network wherever you are. It can reach up to 10 meters. The personal area network. Now next topic we are going to learn is LAN. Okay, what do you mean by LAN? It's nothing but local area network. Local area network. Okay, LAN. It's a digital communication system capable of interconnecting large number of computers to the main computer within a short distance using cables, and it is a private network and it can be used within the range of 10 kilometers. It is controlled by a single organization. The devices such as computers, printers, etc. that are connected to the computer network are known as nodes, and it turn they are connected to a main computer called file server. The purpose of LAN is to allow nodes to the network to communicate with each other and to share resource information between one another. It is also a secured network because the cable faults and the connections failures are less frequent. In case if the cable faults occur, it can be easily for all of us to locate and rectify immediately where is the problem. And the speed of the LAN ranges between 10 MB million bits per second to GB gigabytes per second. This type of networking is generally used in schools, children, offices and factories. Even in the banks they use this type of network so that it will be easy for them to connect it fast. The next topic we are going to study is WLAN. Okay, what do you mean by WLAN, children? It studies about what? It is nothing but wireless local area network. Wireless local area network. Okay. You can see the diagram over here. Okay, internet, and it is connected to all the places. Okay, all the system of the computers. A wireless local area network provides wireless network communication over short distances using radio signals, infrared lights or laser beams. Nowadays, these signals are very used instead of traditional network cabling in cell phones to share data, music, videos, pictures, etc. We can share them easily. We will not have any problem. You can have like a share it, Bluetooth, this type of things. We can share videos, musics or movies or photos, anything we want, we can share it through phones, laptops. You can share it with computers. Okay, all this comes under wireless local area network. Okay, our next topic we are going to study is HAN. It's nothing but home area network. Home area network. It is fully connected inside our house. The internet is fully connected inside our house. Now, let's study what is this. HAN, home area network. Home area network is a type of local area network, and network which connects digital devices such as PCs like mobile phones, entertainment technologies, and thermostat, home security systems, etc. It is also used to share a single internet connection between the digital devices in the home. It is used to share photos, MP3s, data files, etc. Whatever it is, whatever data you want, like Wi-Fi, you can use internet, you can use in the home itself, in the nearby, inside your houses, wherever you are working out with the internet. So you can use in that particular places only, this type of home area network. Now, the next topic we are going to study is MAN. Okay, this is the block diagram for MAN. The full form is what, children? Can anyone guess that? Yes, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a private network. It can be owned or operated by a public utilities too. It interconnects the user with computers in an area larger than the area covered by LAN. This network system interconnects various places in a metropolitan city, or it can even use in town or a large campus like hostels or schools and all these things. Several local area networks can be interconnected by bridging them with backbone lines, and it is known as campus network. MANs are extremely efficient and provide fast communication, children. For example, local cable TV networks. If we have any kind of problem in our cable network or a TV network, dish antenna and all, these all are extremely very efficient and provide very fast communication. If we call, immediately the people come and fix it. Okay, it is very fast communication. Now next topic, the last topic we are going to study is WAN. Yes, this is the block diagram for WAN. It is nothing but wide area network. Wide area network. Okay. Wide area network spans a wide geographical area. It can assume global proportions with large organizations. Unlike LAN and MAN, it is a public network system. that interconnects people in different countries and continents, either by telephone lines or satellites links, etc. WAN generally has a very large storage capacity, children, and it is mostly used in railways, airports, reservations center, telephone systems, mobile systems, education, and research field. The internet is an example of wide area network. As it connects man and lands around the world, it can also be privately owned or rented. The speed of WAN ranges from 1 GB to 100 GB. Example. Okay, ARPANET. Okay, this is the fast speed of WAN ranges from 1 GB to 100 GBs, and it is, as we have studied, that it is also useful in airports, reservation centers, telephone systems, mobile systems, education and research fields. Okay, and this kind of wide area network, if you want to connect it to the different places, far countries and all, it is very easy for us to communicate. It has large ranges from 1 GB to 100 GB, so you can use this internet for a long time, so you will not have any kind of problem. The satellites links are very easy for us to connect the telephones and all these things. So this is the lesson, the children, we have studied. And till now what we have studied about computer networks. Till now in this section 3 class we studied all these networks are very useful to us in our day-to-day life. Okay, this all makes our work easier and more convenient for us to move on. We studied about computer networks, we studied about advantages of networks, we studied of types of networks. Okay, we studied the types of networks, and the 6 types of networks we studied. What are they? Personal area network we studied, local area networks we studied, wireless local area network we studied, home area network we studied, metropolitan area network we studied, and wide area network we studied. These are the topics we have studied in this lesson, children. We are going to end this section 3 first lesson over here, and for section 4 we are going to the new unit 2 second lesson. That is second lesson we are going to discuss, that is part 2 in section 4. So children, now shall we discuss about some assignment for you all? Yes, nothing, it's a simple assignment that I am going to give you all, that is expand the following. I want you to copy this in your notebook. Okay, and please go through this again and again. Expand the following. If you get your notebook, please copy them in that. Okay, shall we go through this expand the following once? Yes, we have 12 expand the followings, and the first one is Fortran, the formula translations, OS operating system, DTP desktop publishing, DBMS database management system, and PAN personal area network, LAN local area network, and WAN wide area network, HAN home area network, MAN metropolitan area network, and LLL low level language, and MBPS million bits per second, and GBPS gigabytes per second. Children, these are very important for you to remember, and it's very easy, it's not a hard for you to go through this. Thank you all, children. I'll see you all in the next section 4 part 2. I hope you all are go through all the 3 video. Now third video also you go through properly what we have studied about the networks. Okay, and copy down all the notes whatever I am giving you all, and maintain a separate notebook for this, and keep it everything ready, and keep studying whatever we have done. Please study, don't waste your time. Listen to your parents. All of you, take care, children. See you all in the next section 4. Thank you.